Hi, it's Rie. I'm going to show you some of my favorite recipes during springtime in Japan. March 3rd is Girls' Day in Japan, called Hina Matsuri. Across the country, families put up dolls that represent the traditional royal wedding ceremony from the Heian period. However, because of space and budget, modern families tend to only decorate the top level, which is the Emperor, Odairi-sama, and the Empress, Ohina-sama. We celebrate Hina Matsuri by eating chirashi sushi. Chirashi sushi means scattered sushi. Commonly, we use sushi rice as a base and top it with thinly sliced omelette, lotus root, or cooked shrimp. For this video, we made rolled sushi and decorated with popular chirashi sushi toppings. It's easy to eat with fingers, so it's a perfect finger food for parties. Hanami is a really fun picnic custom that happens during cherry blossom season. It's a little difficult to translate, but Hanami essentially means taking a moment to enjoy flowers. For Japanese people, it's typically associated with cherry blossom viewing. During April, we picnic with bento boxes and onigiri and admire how beautiful the cherry blossoms are. It's also beautiful in the evening when the sun is setting. When it's dark, a lot of the mountains and trees light up to end a perfect day of Hanami. Unlike in America, you can bring alcohol with you. So often family, friends, or coworkers get together for happy hour under the cherry blossoms. Another great Hanami dish is called takikomi gohan. Takikomi gohan is an OG one-pot recipe that enhances the rice with seasoning and seasonal vegetables. This dish is a crowd pleaser when a Hanami picnic. During the springtime, takenoko or bamboo shoot is a popular ingredient used in many dishes. I like to make onigiri with my takikomi gohan. It's flavorful and nostalgic. We enjoy watching cherry blossoms during the spring, but did you know we eat them as well? During springtime, we use salt-cured cherry blossoms for both desserts and savory food. Not only can you eat it, but it looks beautiful, so you can also eat with your eyes. It's very salty, so make sure to rinse it first. After you wash it, you can use it on a lot of different things, like this cheesecake. Salt-cured cherry blossoms are not really sweet, and it doesn't drastically change the flavor of your dish. So it's an easy way to add a little style and give it that springtime feeling. Kagari Maki is a decorative type of sushi roll. For this video, we made the pattern looks like a flower. After making a long roll, you cut it to reveal an intricate cross-section. Kagari Maki is also unique because it uses different type of seasoned rice. To achieve the pink color, we use the karashi mentaiko, which is spicy fish egg, a popular ingredient in Japan. You can also use salmon as a substitute. It's a great way to show off at sushi parties and Hanami picnics. This sushi roll technique is similar to a candy making technique called kintaro ame. We went to Japan and filmed how to make kintaro ame for a birthday episode. I'm not sure you can make kintaro ame at home, but you can definitely make kagari maki. This technique is getting popular and people often experiment with a lot of different patterns, such as anime characters or seasonal patterns like Halloween and Christmas themes. This type of sushi is advanced, but if you're looking for something fun to do with your friends and family, it can be a fun weekend project. Once you understand the logic behind the designs, any patterns you want, even more advanced than this one. Finally, this is a dessert called Ichigo Daifuku. Springtime is strawberry time, and this is one of my favorite seasonal Japanese dessert. At the center is a strawberry, which is then wrapped in sweet bean paste called anko, or encased in soft mochi. I used a microwave to make the mochi for this video, but you can use a stovetop as well. Just be careful, the mochi is extremely hot and very sticky right out of the microwave. Use a lot of cornstarch or potato starch to make sure the mochi doesn't stick to your hand. The sweet bean strikes a nice balance with the tart strawberry, so it's a dessert of subtle and delicious contrasts. Springtime is my favorite time of the year because of visually pleasing food and going for a picnic with friends. I hope you can visit Japan during the springtime and try some of the recipe I recommended today.
Oh yes!